Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to update the firmware on your MSI monitor. First, connect your monitor to your PC using a DisplayPort cable, as firmware updates do not work through HDMI. Also connect the USB-A to USB-B cable between the monitor and your computer. Next, open the official MSI website and click Support in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Download. Choose Monitors as the device category and find your exact monitor model. Open the Firmware section and download the latest firmware file. Then go to the Utility or Apps section and download the MSI Gaming Intelligence app. Once downloaded, right-click the firmware file and select Extract All. Now open MSI Gaming Intelligence. Click the Settings icon and go to Firmware Update. Select Scholar or the firmware type for your monitor. Then browse and select the extracted firmware file. Click Get Started or Update to begin. The update process usually takes around 10 to 20 minutes. During this time, your monitor screen may go black. Do not disconnect any cables or turn off the monitor while the update is running. When the update is complete, unplug the monitor from the power outlet for a few seconds and then plug it back in. This ensures the new firmware is fully applied. Thanks for watching.